Okay, so right here we got the starter pack of Season 6. It's called the Centurion. We're going to do what we did with the Season 4 starter pack and do a review to see if you guys should pick it up, because this just came out. I'm going to work my butt off. It probably won't come out until like 1, 2 in the morning Eastern, but like, hey, it's always worth grinding. But here's the Centurion. Here's the back bling, the Gladiant gear. The pickaxe is the Centurion Edge. And you get 600 free V-Bucks. Well, not free, but you know what I mean. This is only worth 4 USD, which I will put some of the actual like overviews of like what that translates to for like a few of the big things, like Europe pounds or something like that, or like the Australian dollars. So you get 600 free V-Bucks, which could be buy to buy stuff like the Trinity Trooper. It's in the item shop, or anything that's in the item shop when you get it. So let's go into review the skin. It's a blue rarity. Most of the starter packs are blue rarity. I only started playing on my account in season 9, so like you'll be able to tell. But if I'm gonna count all of them quickly. You got one that is purple, and then you got another one that's purple. So there's actually 2 purple ones so far. Let's go to one. There's a green one, which means blue one, my bad. Most of them you will see are blue now. I think actually the rest of them are blue. Yeah, because even this one was blue, even though it was definitely superhero theme. And then obviously the last one is blue, and this one is blue. So they basically changed them to blue rarity. But let's put on the skin quickly. It does come with accessible styles. The Centurion outfit, just normal base outfit, and then the assault outfit. You can see a difference. There's like some guns, shotgun shells right there. Pretty cool. As you can see, they're also still right there, but like the shirt's different. There's actually not that much difference when you look at it, to be honest. So you can see the face paint up there. Pretty cool. We're gonna put that on. The actual back bling for this dude is called. Let's find it. There it is. He's Gladiant gear. It's okay. The selectable style is assault, which is obviously but we'll do combos for both of them. I'm gonna go with the default one for now to showcase it. And then the pickaxe. Let's find that quickly. Here it is. It's a Centurion Edge. Let's listen to it quickly. Sounds pretty clean. Let's put that on. Unfortunately, it does not come with a glider or a wrap. However, I will go look for a glider and a wrap, and we will go into game right now. Alright guys, so we're going to do like a Pizzo type video here, and we're going to review it. I want to tag Pizzo because he can do it like better. Like, I'm going to do like the crate like he did. But here's the skin. Let's hear the pickaxe again. Pretty cool. Let's do a non-copyrighted music. That's copyrighted. But like, let's do this. Okay. But I wish I had an emote that like really turned around. But I don't really have one of those that's not really copyrighted. Other than like this, the Electro Shuffle. As you guys can see, you can see his front for a bit. Pretty cool. Let's see what Pizzo does in Crank. So as you guys can see, this is the skin while cranking. You can hear the pickaxe. Actually, I'll be quiet so you guys can hear the pickaxe while you like bring it back. Alright guys, that's going to end this video off here. I'm going to show you guys some gameplay of the second style for the end of this video. Now, the dying question is it worth it? Yes, mainly due to the V-Bucks. However, if you don't really care about the V-Bucks, maybe skip out on this one, in my opinion. That is it of the video. Like I said, I think it's worth it, but maybe you don't think it's worth it. I don't think the skin's that good. The pickaxe is pretty clean though, but the V-Bucks are definitely worth it. As always, if you guys enjoy these videos, make sure you guys subscribe. Remember, 97% of you guys who are not sub, what are you guys doing? I'm making another video later today because there was an announcement about Arena and I want to talk about it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Bye.